I want to play a little game of chance with you. Would you like to win some money? Yes? Well, look here. I have some keys, a plexiglass container. This will be our crystal casket, a padlock, and another key. This is the only key that opens the padlock. See? And I'll put it over here in the glass. All the other keys do not open the padlock, and I'll drop them here too. And here is the money that you could win. A €50 note. I'll slip it into the crystal casket and I'll lock it inside with the padlock. Okay, here are all the keys, and please mix them up thoroughly inside the glass. Then drop them here on the table and the game of chance can start. Spread them out a little. I will not touch anything. You will have 7 chances on 8 keys to choose the key that will open the padlock and let you win the money. I'll cross my own fingers and start with the first key. Does it open? No? Put it inside the glass. Okay, second chance. Third chance. Nothing. Okay, fourth chance. Phew, I'm sweating. Try again. Doesn't open? No? Just 3 keys left, so you have many more chances. Try another one. Okay, just 2 keys left, so this one and this one. 50% chances to win or lose. Do you want that one? Are you sure? Don't want to change? No? Okay. Okay, that was intense, but luckily you did not choose the key that opens. So only 1 key left. Try it yourself to see that it is the winning key. Wow, that was really lucky for me and a little unlucky for you, but I get to keep my €50 note.